Hello friends, watch this video till the end if you want to learn exactly how I made the most delicious Wagyu flat iron Katsu Sando with golden curry sauce. This golden curry sauce was honestly one of the best tasting sauces I've ever made. I had to start cutting my vegetables and fruit like an MMA fighter cuts weight for his championship bout. I started with my carrots, then I chopped my onions, then it was the apples, and lastly was the potatoes. You can kind of use any vegetables you want. These are the ones I went for. I'm going to add our vegetables, so it's the onions, carrots, apples, and potatoes. I'm going to saute this until the carrots are nice and soft, and then we're going to add in the chicken stock. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I've turned down the heat and I'm just going to let this go for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now that this is browned, I'm just going to add a little bit of garlic. I've got 750 ml of chicken broth. I've been dying to try this Japanese golden curry sauce, so I'm going to add half of it in. This is how it comes, so I'm going to add these 4 blocks of golden curry into my sauce. I'm just going to add a tiny bit of hot water and then I'm going to let this reduce to get a nice sauce. Now that the sauce is ready, nice and thick, we're going to blend it up with a little bit of cold butter. I'm going to add my sauce to the food processor. Just to finish it off, I'm going to add a few cubes of cold butter and then we're going to mix this up. I've got the right consistency. It's like a sesame seed paste. It's smelling gorgeous. Just want to have a taste because I've never tasted this before. Cheers. That is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, it's got the right amount of flavor. It's got the right amount of zing to it. It really is delicious. I'm going to fillet it in the middle. There's a muscle that goes in the middle of the steak. So I'm going to just fillet it from there and just cut it in half. 2 pieces of Wagyu flat iron steak. Look at this marbling, it's absolutely incredible. Look at all the fibers that run through it, the intramuscular fat. It's just so beautiful and it's going to make such a soft and tender bite. I'm going to add a little bit of flour. I'm going to add 1 egg. For this, I'm using white bread panko crumbs. Just going to season the steaks with a little bit of salt. I'm going to start with the first steak, add some flour. I'm going to give it into the egg mixture. Here's the first steak ready for the fridge. Now I'm just going to put my next katsu steak on the griddle. And I'm going to put this in the fridge for the gluten to relax and let the bind adhere. I'm going to add my oil, and the secret to making katsu sandwiches is to fry it at a high heat. I think my oil is ready, so I'm going to start frying. I'm going to turn this around. Okay, I think these are ready. We flash fried them. Let's take them off and let them rest. While it's nice and hot, I'm just going to add a little bit of Melbourne salt. Guys, I got this Japanese milk bread from Putti Pastry and Tea in Rivonia. Go check it out. They have awesome stuff. This is going to be very cool. I'm very excited to try it. It seems so soft and delicious. Let's make our katsu sandwiches. I start by getting my bread ready. I just want to get this edge off. Oh, that was funny. I'm just going to add this delicious golden curry sauce. I'm going to add my piece of Wagyu. I'm going to add some more of my delicious sauce. To plate this, I'm going to add some sauce to my plate. Friends, I am so excited to try this. To be honest, I never cook like this. These are all new flavors for me, and I hope you can try it at home, and yeah, maybe you'll like it, maybe you won't, but I'm really excited to try this. Here we go. Kanpai, everybody. Ace! Cheers, everybody. Can't get enough of this sauce. It is so yummy. Guys, I finished this whole thing. It was absolutely delicious. The sauce is so flavorful. It's yummy. Be sure to try it at home. Look in the description below if you'd like to order any of the Wagyu I used. This was the flat iron steak, and it's absolutely super tender and flavorful. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sayonara. Thanks for watching, and keep on cooking, you beautiful people.